Good morning, students. Today we talk about the bryophytes. It's before we already explained to you plant kingdom's first plant, which is algae. Now today we discuss here about the bryophytes. So in bryophytes, 800 genera are present and 23,500 species of bryophyte present in all over world. Okay, bryophytes are called the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Very important question. Bryophytes are called the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Why? Because they are found in the land and they are also found in the water or moist places. Therefore, they are called the amphibians of the plant kingdom. The plant body of bryophytes plants are more developed than the algae. Okay. One important thing, Professor S.R. Kashyap. Professor S.R. Kashyap is the father of Indian bryology. S.R. Kashyap is the father of Indian bryology. Now we discuss its important characteristics. After discussing the important characteristics, we discuss its economic importance, because all plants kingdoms we study in this chapter economic important. Okay, so bryophytes are found in the moist places and some species are found in the water. Okay, so bryophytes plants are found in the moist places and some are found in the water. The body is a thallus-like. The body is thallus-like and prostrate or erect. The body is thallus-like and prostrate or erect. Second things, and attached to the substratum. Substratum means any stone, any wall. So bryophytes are attached to the substratum by unicellular and multicellular rhizomes. Unicellular and multicellular rhizome. Rhizome is a hair-like structure which is present on the bryophytes. So these hair-like structure may be unicellular or may be multicellular. They lack true roots. They lack true roots, leaf or stem. In bryophytes, plant have lack of true roots, leaf and stem, but it is present in the moss. Bryophytes are two, liverwort or moss. So moss plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaf, but liverwort plant is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Okay, they may be possess root like or stem like structure. They may be possess root or stem like structures. The main plant body is gametophytic. Gametophytic means plant body have only haploid body, means cell have haploid. Vascular tissues are absent. Vascular tissues means xylem and phloem cells are absent. They conduct the water and food materials. Presence of chlorophyll, they prepare own food by self. Therefore they are called the autotrophs. Sex organ of bryophytes are multicellular. Sex organ of the bryophytes are the multicellular organ, and the male sex organ is called the antheridium. The male sex organ is called the antheridium, or antheridia is a plural word. Antheridia, if asked the antheridia, so antheridium is a singular word and antheridia is a plural word. Okay, and this antheridium produce anthrozoites. Antheridium produce anthrozoites. Anthrozoites is a male gamete. Anthrozoite is the male gamete, and female sex organ is called the archegonium. Female sex organ is called the archegonium. Okay, and it produce egg, only one egg, which is the female gamete. Okay, Antheridium produce antherozoite, which is a biflagellate. Okay, and Archegonium is the flask-shaped structure. Archegonium is the flask-shaped structure and produce single egg. Everyone clear about this thing? Now we discuss its next portion. Bryophytes occur internal fertilization. Or for the fertilization, water is necessary. Antherozoites are released in water. Antherozoites are the male gamete which is released in water. They come in contact of the Archegonia. Antherozoites fuse with the egg cell of Archegonium and form a zygote. Zygote do not undergo reduction division. It means zygote do not undergo reduction division, means number of chromosome not become half. Zygote do not undergo reduction division. Immediately they produce a multicellular body called the saprophyte. Some cells of saprophyte undergo reduction division. In all saprophyte cells do not reduction division, but in some cell of the saprophyte undergo reduction division to form haploid spore. These spores germinate to produce gametophyte. Okay, today this important characteristic is completed. Next day we talk about some bryophytes.